Hey guys, it's Kathleen with Thrifty Britches, and I've got another Thrift With Me video. I deleted my intro, so hence the voiceover. It was a miserable rainy day in Alabama, but I still managed to hit this one yard sale, and I think I did okay. So make sure you stay tuned until the end and come back and see the haul so you can see everything that I got.
Oh, did I really?
Yeah, literally, like everyone, it's weird how everyone comes in waves. See if I'm ready by 8. Oh my gosh, everyone, I think are there any soccer balls here? Yeah. Are there? One or two.
And there's official dodgeball.
Oh, really?
You need to plumb them up.
I can take yours. Because there's like, I'm trying to work on my son with finishing and you line up a bunch and you have them go lateral. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So I just bought like, and they're expensive. $100 the
Yeah.
other day, but I want to get more and I was like,
That's a good way to go. Yeah.
I'm like, you soccer yeah, soccer balls. Because he loses them all. I mean, they lose them
Well, they get punctured.
or whatever. Yeah.
We should have
Well,
played.
then it's like as soon as you get enough of them, they grow out of that size. Oh yeah.
My mom said she'll get all of the snow.
It was a 3. We've been doing soccer long enough already.
Yeah. No, it's assorted sizes.
I only coach one season, but I like work with it. But if somebody's like starting out and not sure, I'll coach them. Like the Bay, mostly South Bay, and my mom lives in Alameda. And yeah, she has a little son, so he was kind of crazy to live on my. Yeah. Is she like Victorian type of there? She actually like moved lately. Like I'm actually Midwestern, and she was over here, and my sister was living in Northeast, and then they moved from Northeast to Alameda, and she's staying with them. She's over there. But yeah, she has an apartment. She has an apartment above the shops in the downtown. So she was like, I used to go meet up with old school realtor here. She was like 70. She's been doing real estate here since the 70s. And she bought up early on like a lot of the Victorian. It's like before Alameda like was way right. Cool. Yeah, because some of the areas like cousin's grandmother is over area. Golly. Oh, that little ranch. She has all these places. Oh, easy. I mean, a shack in the ranch. I mean, and it's just like a ranch style. Yeah. Yeah. No, at one point my office always stayed there. At one time, we, thinking of this, I could have lived there because I was there so often.
Online order.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Online order. Call in.
Brian, I took pictures. Grab them pretty quick, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, he's free.
Alright.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you.
I just didn't see any light though.
Yeah, I think that I think they went fast.
I'm sure they did.
Yeah, because they were over here.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Hey, thank you. You too.
Alright.
Excuse me.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so these are Majorica pearls. They are vintage. And initially I put them down, but trust me, I end up looking up the comps and then coming back for them. They will resell anywhere from between $60 and about $150 to maybe $175. I was really mulling over these Madewell jeans, but I just have so many jeans that are in my inventory. Plus, these were a smaller size. They looked a little faded, and I want to say she was asking either $5 or $8 for them. Now, this was a great find. I thought this is an Arc'teryx jacket, which I have never sold before. But if you ever see these out in the wild, snatch it up. It's a bolo. Now, when I got it home, after I already filled my haul, that is when I realized that the zipper was broken and missing its pull. So unfortunately, that's definitely going to lower the value. However, about 15 minutes after listing it, I had an offer of $35. And I didn't take it because I figured I'm going to wait and see what this bad boy does. I only have it listed for $55 anyway, but most of them would resell in the hundreds to near $200 if they're in really good condition.
You know, sometimes it's better to have one during the rain because it's the only one around. Did you say you had two?
Okay guys, welcome back for the haul. So all in all, I spent a total of $51 at this yard sale. And right out of the gate, I'm gonna show you that I bought 4 big old things of bubbles for my classroom. They were only $1 a piece. So those are definitely not for resale. I picked up 4 video games. I don't know why I think I'm ever going to do well with video games. I sort of suck at it. So I really need to retire from picking up video games, but I saw the big piles and I thought, oh, you know, it was a rainy day, so I knew a lot of people hadn't been to this yard sale yet. And so I thought I could find a couple of good things. I was sorely mistaken. These are not terribly good. They will probably sell. They will probably not sell for much more than $8, and I paid about an average of $1.50 a piece. I think she only charged me $3 for this one. So this is Sonic Forces. Snoopy's Adventure was $1. They're all in really good shape. They don't have a lot of wear on them. She charged me $1 for this one. And she also charged me $3 for this one. This one I think is probably going to do the best, but I really need to stick to stuff I know. I don't know video games. My kids played video games. My boys did, but I know nothing about them. And so I really need to retire from video game reselling. But I'm going to list them anyway. And like I said, hopefully $8 to $10 a piece. Okay, I grabbed these 4 guys. I didn't do any comps on them whatsoever. They are in really rough shape, but they were only $1/4 a piece. And the reason I threw them in my bag is because they are all from 1988. These are called the starting lineup, NFL starting lineup. And if you find these out in the wild that are still in the box, they do really, really well when they are new and in the package. I'm probably only going to get between $10 and $12 for the lot of these 4. I am going to lot them up together. I do have to take a little bit of the pink stuff to the bottoms of their feet to get that marker off. But I don't anticipate that being a problem. But these guys are rough. I mean, they don't even have their numbers on them. I know I can do a Google Lens search. I'm pretty sure this guy, oh, well, maybe not. I thought he was Huey Long because I thought that was a 75, but now I'm seeing that it looks like Miller or something on the back. So clearly I'm not the best person to be identifying these guys. I'm going to clean them up, lot them up together, probably going to list them for about $12 plus shipping, and hope to sell them for $8. But again, I'm $1 all in for these. Okay, I grabbed this bag of random items, and these were actually in this bag, and she charged me 50 cents for the bag. So I threw these in my bag just because I saw the Minecraft pieces. So I lotted all of these Minecraft pieces up together for $8. Now these I have to, this I don't think is anything, but I'm going to bring this into my classroom. My kids will dig that. These are really kind of interesting. I have to do a Google Lens. They are by Toy Tech, and they are what my kids would call pullbackers, where you pull them back and let them go and they drive. But they also have electronic features, and so they're kind of neat. I'll do a Google Lens search and pop it on up there if they're worth anything. Otherwise, my kids, they will have a good old time with these in the classroom. Okay, now I'm really regretting hitting that button. All right, I grabbed this plate simply because it was from Japan and it was only $1. I really liked the gold leaf detail. I thought it was very pretty, clearly vintage. Now, there are a lot of this type of plate listed, so I undercut everybody. I think I listed it for $10. I might have listed it for $8. Again, she only charged me $1, but I really should have done a Google Lens search at the yard sale before just randomly throwing this in my bag. The other thing that I picked up that I love and I really want to keep for myself is this Decimone, Italy, Decimone. I don't know. I know I'm murdering that name. I have seen these before at yard sales and estate sales, and they're usually pricey. I think that the 38 means that it's from 1938, but if you know anything about this design, or this artist rather, then please throw it down there in the comments to let me know. Because I wasn't 100% confident that it's from 1938, I threw it up there for auction with an opening bid of $15. These pieces can sell anywhere from $12 on up to hundreds of dollars. I'm fairly confident I don't have one that's worth hundreds of dollars, but I just don't know. And so I put it up there for auction to see how it does. I will keep you posted. I listed it last night, and so far there are no takers, but I only just listed it last night. Okay, I paid $5 a pair for each pair of shoes that I threw in my bag. This pair is Solomon, and I know that these are a really good hiking shoe. They are filthy dirty, so I still have to scrub them clean, but these sell really well. I would expect that I would probably get somewhere around $50 and potentially more for this pair of shoes. I think. I'll throw the comp up there. I don't think these were $40 shoes. I think they were higher. Oh, I forgot to look up the comps for Keens, but Keens just always sell for me. Keens are like a no-brainer. If I see Keens and they are in a decent shape, and these definitely are, not too much wear on the bottom, I would expect about $25 for these, but I will throw the comps up there just to be sure. And then the last is this pair of Chacos, and this is a men's pair of Chacos. I'm assuming it's a size 7.5, although I haven't determined the size yet. I'm a little bit baffled because I can't find it written anywhere on the shoe, but I haven't taken the whole thing apart, like all the straps and everything. I'm hoping they're a 7.5. I might have to take them into a store and measure them out, but they are a men's pair, and I think they are the Mega Z Cloud, and so these will probably go around $50 as well. So that was a good pickup. I grabbed this, which is a new to me brand. So this is a jacket by Arc'teryx, and Arc'teryx is a really good brand. Now, if you can find a ski jacket by Arc'teryx, you are going to make some money. Now, this is in a men's medium, and it is filthy dirty. Like, there are spots over every part of it. I definitely have to take my depiller and sweater shave. It's going in the wash as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm going to wash it up. I don't think there are terrible stains. It looks to me to just be like dirt, like they wore it out in the mud and the rain and then haven't worn it since. Oh, I take that back. There's some black spots, so I'll have to put my concoction on there to get rid of those. But I really anticipate that this is going to clean up beautifully, and if so, I should get around $60 or $70 for this, and this was $3. It's all lined in fleece, covered with dog hair, but nonetheless, that'll come out in the wash. And then the last thing that I got, I paid $15 for, and this was, I think, my best pickup. These are pearls by Majorica. Have never picked them up before, but it comes in its original case. It still has the little doohickey thing. Let me get rid of this. It won't come off. In the case, and it is a double set of pearl necklace and bracelet. And as I'm saying that, the bracelet doesn't look the same color as the necklace. So I'll have to check, because I'm not sure they're both. These might just have been in the case, but I don't care. This is a string of pearls, and it is gorgeous. It is missing 1, 2, 3 diamonds, but this should still sell for probably somewhere around $80 to $100. So I am super stoked about that. All right, guys, that's everything from this Thrift With Me video. As always, hit the subscribe button, throw us a comment, hit the bell notification, all the things that help us out so much in YouTube world, and I will catch you next time. Bye, guys.